Clearance deals. Yes, lots of clearance deals. Big shout out to Deal Team 6, Tool Nerd, all the OGs, everybody that's been posting on the Deal Team 6 Facebook group. A lot of these are, your mileage may vary. You will not see them all the time in your stores. You will be lucky if you guys find them, but these are good things to look out, because you're going to get some killer deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way you to rest the platform by subscribing and like, so help out the channel by doing so. Yeah, it's been a while since I made this video like this. This one's $39.88. If you guys walk into the store and if you guys see these, chances are you're going to see this for $19. Yes, under $20. This is going to be a killer deal. And guys, you guys do have to put your boots on. You guys have to walk into the store and find them physically. Otherwise, the internet's not going to have it. Do apologize for the sound there. All right, next one down. This one was just posted at the Deal Team 6. So this one's pretty good if you're into the Ryobi. You're going to get a lot of tools. You're going to get 2 batteries there. Plus, you're going to get the free gift. Let's throw that in there. See what that looks like. $79. All right, for 2 cart. All right, killer deal. This is going to be $106. All these tools with batteries, $106. $52 for the batteries. $25 a piece. That's really good deal. So if you guys are on the line, go get them. Good deals on those. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Guys, here's another killer deal. This is probably the best deal in the video here. These are going to drop down at the stores. It's going to drop down to $199. If you guys do see here, they're already sold out. And most of my stores, there's still a few stores that is around here in Phoenix, Arizona. But you guys do have to put your boots on, and you guys have to walk into the store and go into the section, the gift center section, or the power tool section where they keep the Milwaukee tools. And you guys have to look for this item. This is the fuel circular saw with the 6 amp hour battery. This is going to drop down to $199. Yes, $100 off already from the deal, from the holiday deal. So this battery by itself is almost $200, if not so. And same thing with the saw. So you're going to get a lot of savings here on this one's killer. Lucky. Let us know down in the comment section if you guys got any of these deals. If you guys got any of these saws. Another big shout out to the Den of Tools. He posted this in one of his videos. So big shout out to them, or him, for posting this. This one, I actually ended up getting this at the Costco. Yes, you do have to have a membership. If you get a family member that has it, this is a really good deal. Save your back, just like what the Den of Tools says. Save your back. If you guys could spend a little bit more and take care of yourself, if you're going to be doing brake jobs and all that stuff, or clean. This is the Power Build Heavy Duty Rolling Seat. This is more like a detailed, for detailing and stuff like that. Yes, it's down from $72 to $57. This is the cheapest I've seen it. That's why I ended up getting it, because at Harbor Freight, I believe the cheapest you see it for like $69.99. That's the cheapest you see it. I ended up seeing it for $57. I got it. So that's a good deal on this one. I'll leave you guys the link to all these tools down below in the description section of this video. A lot of these, like I said, you do have to walk into the stores and get them. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.